In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make A3 size in Canva step by step. Whether you're creating posters, certificates, menus, brochures, school projects, or print-ready designs, setting the correct A3 dimensions is extremely important to make sure your design prints perfectly without stretching or quality loss. I'll walk you through the exact dimensions you need for both portrait and landscape layouts, and I'll also share a few quick tips to make sure your file is set up correctly from the start. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss anything. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Canva tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. Once you're on the Canva homepage, look at the top right corner and click on the Create a Design button. When you click that, a drop-down menu will appear with different preset design sizes like Instagram posts, presentations, and documents. Instead of choosing one of those presets, scroll down and select Custom Size. This is what allows us to manually enter the exact A3 dimensions. After clicking on Custom Size, a small box will pop up where you can enter your width and height. Now, this is the most important part. For A3 size in pixels, you need to enter the correct dimensions. If you're creating a portrait design, meaning the page is taller than it is wide, enter 3508 pixels for the width and 4961 pixels for the height. Double check that the unit is set to pixels, not inches or millimeters, unless you specifically want to work in those units. Using pixels at high resolution ensures your design stays sharp and print ready. If you prefer a landscape layout, which means the page is wider than it is tall, simply reverse the numbers. Enter 4961 pixels for the width and 3508 pixels for the height. Again, confirm that the unit is set to pixels so you get the correct resolution. These dimensions are based on A3 paper size at 300 dpi, which is the standard for high-quality printing. Once you've entered the correct dimensions, click on the Create New Design button. Canva will instantly open a blank Canva in A3 size using the dimensions you provided. From here, you can start adding text, images, shapes, backgrounds, and any other elements you need for your design. Because you set the custom dimensions first, you won't have to worry about resizing later or losing quality. Before you finish your project, here's a quick tip. If you're planning to print your A3 design, go to Share, then Download, and choose PDF Print as your file type. This will give you the best quality for professional printing. You can also enable crop marks and bleed if your printer requires them. That way, your final printed result will look clean and properly aligned. And that's it. That's exactly how to make A3 size in Canva using custom dimensions for both portrait and landscape layouts. As you can see, it only takes a minute to set up, but doing it correctly makes a huge difference in your final result. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Canva tutorials, design tips, and easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.